Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy. Welcome back to my channel. And today, if you see, markets opening with a very big gap up, which was not really expected because of the global markets. Yes, global markets are up now, but our gap up was expected to be a small gap up, right? Somewhere near 47, 800, 900, all these levels. But we opened all the way somewhere near 48,000, I think 100 or something. And from there, if you see, markets saw very good profit booking. Markets came at this level, and from there again the market started moving up, right? And now I still have my position running over here, and I could not show you the PNL today. Tomorrow I'll definitely show you. But yes, if you see, this is how the PNL, this is how the basically the chart looks like. For my premium, it's at 280. I'm going to book at 150. I think we could expect it to come tomorrow itself, because there is also the RBI policy, right? And now I'm going to tell you one thing which is going to be very important, and which I think it is you should definitely listen to, right? Again, what can we do for tomorrow? Now over here, if you see in the daily charts, markets have made a very good candle over here, right? This candle is not really bearish. A lot of people would say, oh, this is a bearish sign or something. There is so much selling in the market. This is definitely a bearish sign. In Nifty also, if you see, Nifty was definitely very, surprising to say the least, because if you see, there was so fast selling. Right now I'm going to tell you why. Because yesterday, if you see the FNO data, the proprietary traders and FIs had taken short positions with them. Right now, they will not exit their short positions at higher levels. Please remember this. They have a lot of quantity, right? And so they will not book a very big loss by booking their profits at the open itself. They do not panic, right? Again, they do not panic. These big institutions do not panic. So they will not book their profits over here. They will rather create even more short positions at higher levels, so they get a higher average price for their short positions. And once the market comes down at lower levels, they will start booking their profits, right? Or they will start booking their short positions. And that is what exactly happened in the market went down till these supports over here, and then started to move up and closed at higher levels, right? This is because all the big institutions like proprietary traders and FIs, they did not book their profits at higher levels. They brought the market down because they have a lot of quantity, right? Again, they can put in a lot of quantity, they can move the market in a big way, right? So they brought the market down, and then they booked all of their short positions over here, and then they got bullish from there. Same thing with Bank Nifty also. They wouldn't have booked their losses over here. Now, if you see in Bank Nifty, if you see, futures exactly took support from previous days closing price, right? Or if you see, a lot of volume is in this zone, in this range over here, and futures exactly took support from there. That means the all the big institutions first brought the market down till their average price, and then started to book out, maybe with a small loss. They will not book a very big loss over here. They will bring the market down, book all of their profits, and then take the market up from there. And that is what exactly happened in Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty came down, didn't really fill the gap, because futures filled the gap. And so I think futures took the support, and then the market continued to move up. So again, I have also held my positions. I will definitely show you guys the PNL tomorrow, not today, because I don't have the access to my account as of now. But anyways, what can we do for tomorrow? Now, if you see, all of the US markets are up as of now. Let's see where they close. But if we open flat, or if we open with a gap up, we can expect a little bit of continuation. But tomorrow is the RBI policy. Please keep that in mind, that tomorrow is the RBI policy. And one thing I want to show you, which is going to be a very interesting thing for you to see, is that the 48,500 put option of the monthly expiry, if you see, uh I don't know why. Oh shit, I'm really sorry for that. But yes, the 48,500 put option of the monthly expiry saw a lot of OI build up today, right? If you see from the start itself, the OI just continued to move throughout the day, and in the end also someone made a lot of OI. That means someone is betting big on this put option by shorting this put option. That means they are expecting that this put option will lose a lot of value. If this put option has to lose a lot of value, Bank Nifty will need to go over 48,500. Now, if that is to happen, one of the big triggers that could come is a good news that could, be announced by the RBI governor tomorrow. So tomorrow's event could be a sort of a positive event, right? Again, I'm not we have to always take in the probability that something could go wrong. But yes, definitely we cannot ignore these signs. Someone has made a lot of positions today over here. That means they are expecting the market to go up in a big way, or at least expecting Bank Nifty to go above 48,500 in a big way, right? So that's why tomorrow, if we tomorrow, if the RBI governor announces something, when he is doing a speech or something, or maybe you might even see a rate cut. There are chances that some people are saying that there might also be a rate cut. If there is a rate cut, then in the RBI meeting itself, you can put a small stop loss of 100 points, not more than that, and you can take a bullish trade over here till 48,500 on the upside, because then the market will not really stop and we can at least expect a move till 48,500. I think 49,000 will also be of no like, it won't be very hard for Bank Nifty to achieve 49,000 if there is a rate cut by the RBI governor. But even if there is a good news, the market can easily get pumped and you can make a very good amount of money very fast, right? So again, tomorrow in the meeting or before the meeting, you can think about taking a bullish position, but I would suggest do not take it before the meeting itself, because there is a good amount of volatility in the market, and because of that your stop loss could get hit even before the move, any sort of move starts, right? But in the meeting, during the meeting, if you find a good setup, if you find a good swing in 1 minute or 3 minute chart that has been made, right, and if you are seeing that the stop loss is small, you can think about taking a bullish position over there, which could give you a very good momentum over there. Because the market, someone is telling us, right, again, we do not know what is going to come, but we can see that one thing that everyone can see is volume and OI, right? This is public data, and you need to find clues in this data of what is going to happen. Maybe this is 48,500 put option and this is April's expiry, right? So there are 20 more days for this option to expire. So maybe throughout the expiry, someone is expecting that the market should go up, right? But if they've shorted today itself, that means they're expecting that the market will not come above this price, right? That means they're expecting from here itself the market will continue to move up, right? So again, I hope you guys understood this analysis, and again, please use this analysis tomorrow when you are trading in the RBI event and anything, but always make sure to keep your risk in check. Risk management is of utmost importance. You cannot you cannot throw the risk management out of the window. You need to keep your risk in control whenever taking any sort of position in the market, right? Talking about Nifty, again, Bank Nifty also, if we open with a gap down, best thing would be to do nothing for tomorrow, because then the market will be stuck in a range and things will be very volatile. So just do nothing and let the market decide where it wants to go. But above 48,000, if, as I said, after the RBI policy, if you see that there is a good space left on the upside, then you can think about taking a bullish position from there. If you open with a gap up, please do not do anything over there, because if you open with a gap up, chances are maybe you might see a little bit of profit booking, because everyone might exit their book some profits out of their positions or out of their bullish positions before the RBI meet starts. And you're talking about Nifty over here. If you see, Nifty is going on in a channel over here, and if you see now, this channel about 22,600 is where we will see a good move again till 22,700 on the upside, 100 points. Today, if you see, Nifty opened exactly at our target and then we saw some profit booking. I'm not saying that our target got hit because of which the profit booking came, but yes, 22,600 target did get hit. If you didn't catch it, no problem at all. Again, nobody could have got it. But yes, if at lower levels you would have thought about taking a bullish trade, you then would have been a little clever and ahead of the market. Anyways, what can we do for tomorrow? Let's leave today's things aside, and what can we do for tomorrow? About 22,615 or any 22,600 to 615. This range over here is going to be very important. I'm really sorry for my bad drawing. I think I should use my rectangle tool itself. Yes, this range over here is going to be very important. About 22,620, if we start moving, then we will see again an up move till 22,700 on the upside. But please make sure that if this up move has to come, this time it will come very fast. It will not take a lot of time. We will see candles like this, maybe a little bit smaller candles, but yes, we will see good straight buying coming in till 22,700, because now if we move up, there will be I think there will be any sort of barely any sort of resistance above this level, right? So if you open flat again, best thing would be if this trade happens after 10 a.m. or during the RBI speech, right? Not before that, because before that, if it happens before that, then chances are things will be very volatile and you can hit your stop loss. At lower levels, you cannot do anything because again, there are multiple supports at lower levels. So best thing would be to not do anything for tomorrow, because even if you take a trade below, let's say this channel, right? This channel is still very far away, 200 points far away. Then by the time market comes over here, things could be again volatile. There could be traps that could be made in the market, and then the market starts to go down, right? Which could again may not be very good for your performance tomorrow, right? So again, if you do not get any trade tomorrow, it's fine. We will find trades in the coming days also. Please do not rush behind a single trade, right? So I hope you understand that. And yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.